Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Betterify. See, the purpose of this video is to share the results of Mahindra and Mahindra. Today is 11th November and the results are published today. So the results are published and submitted to the exchanges. So let us see the results. Coming to the top line, that is revenue. Revenue is increased by 5% on quarter-on-quarter basis. And the same is increased by 39% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the total income, income includes revenue plus other income. So income is increased by 5% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 13% on year-on-year basis. The expenses have gone up by 4% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same have gone up by 45% on year-on-year basis. Coming to EBITDA, which is the operating profit, it has gone up by 26% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is gone up by 15% on year-on-year basis. The finance cost, the interest cost, basically, it has gone up by 13% on quarter-on-quarter basis and gone up by 7% on year-on-year basis. The depreciation cost gone up by 13% on quarter-on-quarter basis and gone up by 28% on year-on-year basis. Taxes have gone up by 72% on quarter-on-quarter basis and are dropped by 3% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the most important, the bottom line, the profit element, profit after taxes has gone up by 27% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the profit after taxes gone up by 21% on year-on-year basis. The most important, the key element responsible for the price of the share, the earnings per share. So the earnings per share has gone up by 26% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same has gone up by 43% on year-on-year basis. Now coming to the operating profit margin, it has gone up by 20% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is dropped by 17% on year-on-year basis. Same on the net profit margin. Net profit margin is gone up by 21% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is dropped by 12% on year-on-year basis. Now coming to the price, how the price has actually moved throughout the year. So the price has gone up by 16% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same has gone up by 55%. Now how we have to look into all this? See, EPS has a direct connection to the price. The EPS has gone up by 43% on year-on-year basis, whereas the price has gone up by 55% on year-on-year basis. So the price has already covered all that has gone into the EPS. So whatever the increase in EPS is already reflected in the price. In fact, the price is already 10% higher than the increase in EPS. So as against the increase in EPS on year-on-year basis of 43%, the price is already increased by 58% on year-on-year basis. But yes, the results are very good. Now let us say look into the let's say half-yearly results. Now since we were talking about the margins gone down, let us say on year-on-year basis. But if we compare on, let us say for half year versus half year, this year half year the operating profit margin is at 19%, whereas in the last year it is 17%. So same net profit margin, last year it was 5%, and the current year half it is 9%. So even margins, if we compare half year versus half year, then there is no deterioration in the margin. Yes, the results are very good, but the price is already covered whatever the increase in the profits or whatever the increase in the EPS. But if there is a correction somewhere going forward, then you can keep a watch on this stock and then you can buy on any day. Thank you so much. That is it today as far as the results of Mahindra and Mahindra are concerned. Thank you. Thank you so much.